Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into why the DKONI bike helmet with LED light stands out as the best commuter urban LED light helmet you can get right now. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, riding at dusk, or just looking to elevate your safety game, this helmet is designed to meet modern needs with next-gen features. Let's kick things off with the fit and sizing. DKONI knows that comfort and safety go hand in hand. This helmet comes in 3 sizes. Small for head circumferences 18.9 to 21.5 inches, medium for 20.5 to 22.5 inches, and large for 22 to 24 inches. That means whether you're a teen or an adult, there's a snug and secure fit waiting for you. Thanks to the single-hand adjustable dial and side straps, you can tweak the helmet to perfection without pulling your hair or losing stability on the ride. Now, what really sets this helmet apart is the integrated LED lighting system. You're not just getting lights for show, you're getting serious safety enhancements. Up front, there are 5 white LED lights that help light your path. On the rear, you have 13 red LEDs with 4 unique lighting modes: fast flashing, slow flashing, warning flashing, and even a snake-shaped flashing pattern. These modes make you visible from all angles, ensuring that both vehicles and pedestrians can see you coming or going. And yes, it's all USB rechargeable, so no need for constant battery swaps. Speaking of safety, let's talk certifications. This helmet isn't just good looking, it's tough where it counts. It's certified by CPSC, CE, and ASTM, ensuring it meets global safety standards. The high-density durable outer shell is paired with EPS foam inside to absorb impacts and protect your head effectively in the event of a crash. Whether you're cycling, commuting, or skateboarding, you're backed by certified protection. Let's talk comfort for a moment. DKONI has designed this helmet with 20 ventilation holes and optimized airflow channels. That means even during long rides in the heat, your head stays cool and dry. The internal liner is breathable, moisture-wicking, and, here's the kicker, it's removable and washable. Maintenance is easy, and hygiene is never compromised. The helmet's build quality shows attention to detail. Everything from the contour of the shell to the material of the straps is thoughtfully designed. It feels premium, but doesn't cost a fortune. Prices range between $35.99 to $41.99 depending on size and color. And let's not forget, this helmet is built for urban mobility. Whether you're an e-scooter commuter, a casual weekend rider, or a daily cyclist, the blend of safety, lighting, comfort, and breathability makes this one of the smartest helmets you can invest in. So there you have it. A stylish, reliable, and smartly engineered helmet that doesn't cut corners on safety or comfort. If you're in the market for a commuter helmet that helps you ride with confidence day or night, the DKONI bike helmet with LED lights should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe out there, and ride bright.